either rod here. So recently, I've been trying to get back in shape. So I'm trying to play basketball again. So kahit ganito matanda na ako, gusto pa rin mag-basketball. So my problem is I don't have a basketball shoe. Also, another problem would be budget. Ang mga branded shoes ngayon are probably worth 5 to 10,000 pesos. I don't have that budget. And even if I do have, hindi naman ako bibili ng ganung kamahal na sapatos. Another problem would be, siyempre, pag mas mura bibilin mo, okay, at hindi branded, magkakaroon naman ng problema sa safety issues. Probably baka ma-sprain ka at magkaroon ka pa ng injury. So, anong ginawa ko is nag-research ako using Lazada and Shopee. Naghanap ako ng worth 2,000 to 3,000 pesos. And the good thing about Lazada or Shopee, meron silang mga pay later scheme. So, hindi muna ako nagbayad. And I think I found what I need. Ito yon. Okay? The brand is XTEP. It's a Chinese brand. Sa amin pa rin ang West Philippine Sea. I believe this is a good brand. I've researched it sa YouTube. So, isa sa mga endorser niya ay si Jeremy Lin. So, I think wala namang problema kung made in China siya kasi most of the shoes that are made in China. Sa amin pa rin ang West Philippine Sea. So, unbox na natin. Let's go. So, this is it. Open na natin siya. Where's my knife? Ayun.
Okay, sige, sige. Okay, hopefully. Alright. XTEP. Para siyang Reebok. Right? Tadaan! Time to open the shoe. I hope it's real.
Ay. Oh. Okay, and it's here. Let's take a look at it. Wow. Looks good. Maganda naman, I hope. Okay, sige, check natin mabuti. Okay. This is size 10. Kasi size 10 ako. Of course, akong gagamit eh. So, I like the colorway. Akong pumili mismo. At least tama yung dumating. Okay, check natin yung mga stitching. Maganda. Para siyang ano rin. Brand ng mga bigatin. I like it. Ganda. What's the shoe? Ito naman, I think the materials that they use are good. Although hindi naman ako expert sa shoes. Pero mahilig din ako sa shoes. Kahit mga bigay lang. Maganda. You can compare it to to other shoe brands na mga mamahalin. Napakaganda ng materials. As you can see here, merong dito hard plastic. And then sa ilalim parang meron siyang it's not carbon fiber pero may plastic yan for the protection here. Saka magaang. What's the other one? The magaang. So I think success yung ating purchase. So I have to test it pero just by looking at it, it's really good. If you need shoes try checking Lazada or Shopee. So look for XTEP. So meron pa mga brand na Chinese na magaganda naman. Katulad ng 361 degrees. So maganda rin siya. Meron din Rigor, but ang napili ko kasi is XTEP. Mas mura ng konti. So, yan. Ganda oh. Ganda ng colorway oh. So, ayan. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I hope you like the video. So, sa susunod na unboxing uli,